Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. I figured out what was wrong with the charger, and it was yours truly. I reread the owner's manual, and what I was, my misunderstanding is under repair, it went through its 9-step smart charging process. Well, that's not true. Under the repair, it does let me read it here, small current and pulse current. And that's how it desulfates the battery. Just running a steady low current and then pulsing it and then steady. And that's how it repairs a battery. Now under all of the other modes here, for all the other types of batteries, and under even the cold, it does the 9-step smart charging process. And then under supply, it's just a steady voltage of whatever you set it at, and also the limit of the amperage. So just to go through the different modes of it here, let me get it over. Under supply, we'll select that. Okay, and of course this machine will do either 12 or 24 volts. You can toggle back and forth, but 12 volts, select that. And then what the charging volts you want to charge at. 13.5 is really good for doing your diagnostics with your scan tool. And then you can choose the amperage. I prefer to run it at just the 90 amps because this will only deliver what the vehicle is demanding. So you're not going to overcharge or burn anything up. It'll supply whatever voltage you select, and up to whatever amperage you select. So I just leave it on 90, and then once you select that, it tells you what the voltage of the battery is as it's just sitting here, and you start it. Okay, and it's delivering 13.5 volts, and this car's been sitting for a while, so it's it's only supplying the amperage of what the vehicle is demanding. So which is really cool because, like I said, it won't burn anything up. And then just stop it. And then under repair, oh, sorry about that. Under repair, we'll select repair. 12 or 24 volts, we'll select that. And it only delivers 15.5 volts. You can't adjust that, but you can adjust this between 5 and 15 amps. That's as all higher it'll go. The 15.5 is set, and this is under repair. And then once you get that selected, okay, then you start, and it just low amperage, and it'll do a steady state, and then it'll pulse to go through its repair. We're going to stop that. And then under just normal charge, or if you have an AGM or lithium ion, or if it's below 32 degrees, but under normal, select that. 12 or 24 volts, okay, 12 volts, and you can set it whatever voltage you want it to charge at, whatever, set that. And how many amps do you want it to charge at? And here you can crank it up as high as you want to go. Well, up to what's the highest it'll go is 90 amps. But I never would charge anything at 90 amps. That's just me. Okay, then once you select your amperage you want it to charge at, you select that. Then once you start it, this is when it goes to its 9-step smart charging process. Okay, procedure, I guess you want to call it. And it'll do this on all of these other modes, the normal, AGM, cold, and lithium ion. So under repair, it just does steady low current and pulse current in order to desulfate the battery to try and repair it. And all these other ones, it goes through its 9-step smart charging process. And then of course just have a stable power supply, delivers the voltage and amperage that you select. Pretty amazing little machine once you figure out how to work it. But again, that was user error. So I think this is a really, really great piece of equipment. that will really come in handy in the garage, and I'm happy to have it. Topdon is not a sponsor of mine or anything like that, but this is just a really nice piece of equipment, and I'm going to put it to some good use here in the garage. So that's just kind of my little overview of this charger, but I wanted to kind of put it out there that the problem was me. It wasn't the charger. So I did finally figure it out. Had time to sit down and read the owner's manual again, and so that's how it works. And it's a really great piece of equipment. And again, I'm not not being sponsored by Topdon. This is my own personal opinion. So I guess that's about it for now. So you know the deal. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.